Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Let's begin today's video. मुझे तौलिया पकड़ा दो. Hand me a towel. Hand me a towel. अपना अपना ही होता है. Blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. जब तक मैं वापस ना आऊं, मेरा इंतजार करो. Wait for me as long as I come back. Wait for me as long as I come back. मैं हाथ पर हाथ धरकर नहीं बैठ सकता. I cannot sit idle. I cannot sit idle. मेरा फोन नहीं चल रहा है. My phone is not working. My phone is not working. तुम किसी शैतान से कम नहीं हो. You are nothing short of a devil. You are nothing short of a devil. रोटी पर घी लगा दो. Top the chapati with ghee. Top the chapati with ghee. कमरे में एसी लगवा दो. Get the AC installed in the room. Get the AC installed in the room. तुम्हें शहर की हवा लग गई है. You are under the city's enchantment. You are under the city's enchantment. मैं अपने खर्चे पर गोवा जा रहा हूँ. I am going to Goa at my expenses. I am going to Goa at my expenses. साड़ी तुम पर बहुत जचती है. साड़ी suits you very much. साड़ी suits you very much. मैं तुम्हारे साथ दोस्ती नहीं तोड़ूंगा. I will not end friendship with you. I will not end friendship with you. वो गुस्से में दांत किटकिटाता है. He chatters teeth in anger. He chatters teeth in anger. तुमने तो कमाल कर दिया. You really nailed it. You really nailed it. तुम तो बिल्कुल बदल गए हो. You have changed completely. You have changed completely. देखो कौन आया है. Look who is here. Look who is here. तुम हमेशा देर से आते हो. You always come late. You always come late. अब क्या नया बहाना है. What is the new excuse now? What is the new excuse now? थोड़ा तो शर्म करो. Have some shame at least. Have some shame at least. तुम बिना बात नाराज हो जाते हो. You get upset for no reason. You get upset for no reason. सच कहूँ तो दिल खुश हो गया. Truth be told, my heart is delighted. Truth be told, my heart is delighted. तुम्हारी तो किस्मत चमक गई. Your luck has really shined. Your luck has really shined. ये फुर्सत का काम है. This is a leisure activity. This is a leisure activity. तुम्हें नहीं पता मुझ पर क्या बीत रही है. You don't know what I am going through. You don't know what I am going through. आज कुछ नया करते हैं. Let's try something new today. Let's try something new today. आपका अंदाज ही अलग है. Your style is quite unique. Your style is quite unique. मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानना. Do not mind my words. Do not mind my words. ये पानी का गड्ढा बहुत गहरा है. This puddle is so deep. This puddle is so deep. खाना बहुत स्वादिष्ट था. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. किस्मत भी अजीब चीज है. Fate is a strange thing. Fate is a strange thing. नारे लगाना बंद करो. Stop shouting slogans. Stop shouting slogans. शादी का खर्चा कौन उठाएगा? Who will bear the wedding expenses? Who will bear the wedding expenses? खुद को इतना मत थकाओ. Don't exhaust yourself like this. Don't exhaust yourself like this. बातें कम और काम ज्यादा करो. Talk less, work more. Talk less, work more. ज्यादा चालाक बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to act over smart. No need to act over smart. कुछ भी कहो, मजा आ गया. Say what you will, it was fun. Say what you will, it was fun. क्या तुम सच में ऐसा सोचते हो? Do you really think so? Do you really think so? ये तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है. This is not for you. This is not for you. जिंदगी में कभी हार मत मानना. Never give up in life. Never give up in life. मुझे सब समझ में आ गया. I understood everything. I understood everything. इसे हल्के में मत लो. Don't take this lightly. Don't take this lightly. तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. तुम बहुत प्यारे हो. You are too adorable. You are too adorable. मुझे 10 लाख का नुकसान उठाना पड़ा. I had to suffer the loss of 10 lakhs. I had to suffer the loss of 10 lakhs. बैंक से कुछ पैसे निकाल लो. Withdraw some amount of money from bank. Withdraw some amount of money from bank. मेरे पास नगद पैसे नहीं हैं. I do not have cash. I do not have cash. क्या कोई ATM है पास में? Is there any ATM nearby? Is there any ATM nearby? ये मोबाइल थोड़ा महंगा है. This mobile is a bit expensive. This mobile is a bit expensive. हमारी इस बारे में कभी बात नहीं हुई. We never touched this point. We never touched this point. मौका देखकर चौका मारो. Strike the iron when it is hot. Strike the iron when it is hot. मैं आपका बहुत एहसानमंद रहूंगा. I will be highly obliged to you. I will be highly obliged to you. मुझे ये सब मत बताओ. Do not tell me all this. Do not tell me all this. 5 गिनने पर पलट जाना. On the count of 5, turn around. On the count of 5, turn around. मैं तुम्हें पल पल की जानकारी नहीं दे सकती. I cannot give you the count of every second. I cannot give you the count of every second. आज मैं कार चलाऊंगा. I will drive the car today. I will drive the car today. मैं बाइक नहीं चलाना चाहता. I do not want to ride a bike. I do not want to ride a bike. शाहरुख खान को पूरी दुनिया जानती है. The entire world knows शाहरुख खान. The entire world knows शाहरुख खान. गर्मियां शुरू होने वाली हैं. Summers are about to start. Summers are about to start. तुम यहाँ से चलते बनो. You walk away from here. You walk away from here. आज मेरा मन बेचैन है. My mind is restless today. My mind is restless today. मुझे बेवजह परेशान करना बंद करो. Stop bothering me for no reason. Stop bothering me for no reason. मुझे ये जानकर बहुत खुशी हुई. I am very glad to know it. I am very glad to know it. प्यार छुपाने से नहीं छिपता है. Love cannot be hidden by hiding it. Love cannot be hidden by hiding it. बाकी सब मैं संभाल लूँगा. I will take care of the rest. I will take care of the rest. मेरी उम्र भी तुम्हें लग जाए. May you get my age. May you get my age. वे एक ही थाली के चट्टे-बट्टे हैं. They are the chips of the same block. They are the chips of the same block. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. Do evil and look for like. Do evil and look for like. एक आध दिन में वापस आ जाओ. Come back in a day or so. Come back in a day or so. दुनिया बड़ी मतलबी है. The world runs on self-interest. The word runs on self-interest. तुम्हारे मुंह में लगाम नहीं है. There is no check on your tongue. There is no check on your tongue. अपने हाथ को थोड़ा टेढ़ा करो. Tilt your hand a little. Tilt your hand a little. तुम कितने चिपकू हो. How clingy you are. How clingy you are. तुम कितने बुद्धिमान हो. How intelligent you are. How intelligent you are. जाना है तो चले जाओ. If you want to go, then go. If you want to go, then go. सोना है तो सो जाओ. If you want to sleep, then sleep. If you want to sleep, then sleep. जी भरकर मस्ती कर लो आज. Enjoy your heart's content today. Enjoy your heart's content today. समझा दो मुझे क्या करना है. Explain me what to do. Explain me what to do. मेरे नाम पर कुछ भी नहीं है. There is nothing in my name. There is nothing in my name. मुझे अब चलना चाहिए. I should leave now. I should leave now. लगता है फ़ोन खराब हो गया है. The phone seems to have malfunctioned. The phone seems to have malfunctioned. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलिए. और ऐसे ही इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के लिए आप इस चैनल को फॉलो करते रहिए. थैंक यू.